Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on the Eventbrite app.
But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video.
To create an account, you first open up the app. All right. Once you have it open, the first time that you open it, it usually looks like this, and it's just asking for your location. Let me see. Okay, use my current location. Allow once. Should like pull up my location. All right. So as you can see, it says I'm in Des Moines, Iowa. Now, to create the account, look over here all the way to the right hand side. Do you see this icon right here? It's like a little mannequin. You want to click on that. And then it will tell you over here where it says login. You want to click on that. All right. And it says, let's get started. Sign up or log in to see what's happening near you. Okay. You have multiple options of creating the account. You can create it with all these other options, or you can just do it from here. And I like doing it through here instead of like, I don't like mixing a lot of my apps with different apps. So I just like starting from scratch, and I'll just click over here. All right. And then it says add your email. Go ahead and put in my email. All right. And then it's going to ask to confirm the email. That just means enter the email again. All right. And then enter your first name. Put in my first name, enter last name. All right. And then I'm going to put in my password. All right. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to accept the terms and condition? Click on accept. Well, and it's asking you what kind of events are you into. So go ahead and choose whatever events that you're into and then click on next. And there you go. That's how you create an account on the Eventbrite app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.